red and green velvet cheesecake cookie bars. Perfect for Christmas time.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with the cookie layer. 3/4 cup of salted butter, room temperature. 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Blend those together until they are light and fluffy. Add in an egg, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and beat those things until nice and creamy. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can reduce that to 1/4 teaspoon if you use salted butter. Then you're going to gradually add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add in 1 cup of chocolate chips, but you should probably stir those in by hand. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you could use whatever you'd like. As a matter of fact, if you can find the red and green chips this time of year, you might be able to use those as well. Now onto the cream cheese layer. You'll need 8 ounces of happy cream cheese at room temperature. I happen to find Santa Claus happy cream cheese in the grocery store, which you can only get at Christmas time around here. Then blend the cream cheese and then blend in 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar until it's nicely combined, and then blend in 1 large egg. Continue to blend until it's nice and smooth and silky and there's no more lumps. Then we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa and a teaspoon of vinegar. And if you've made a red velvet before, you always add cocoa and a little bit of vinegar. And I just blended that together, and then I divided that batter into 2 separate bowls. I'll try to put equal amount of the batter in each. Then I tinted one of the bowls red with paste food coloring and the other one I did green. And then I put these into Ziploc bags or piping bags. Now the pan needs to be a 9 by 9 inch baking dish. I'm using an 8 by 10. I lined it with parchment paper and greased it with cooking spray. It'll just make it a lot easier to get these out. Then take 1/2 of that chocolate chip dough that you made and put it in the bottom of the pan. 1/2 of it. Press it down so it's nice and even. And then you need to put the layer of the cream cheese, the red velvet and the green velvet cheesecake layer. I decided to do stripes, but you can't really see the stripes after the cookie bars are baked. So you could even do dollops if you wanted to. But I just wanted to get red and green all over the surface of this. And then you're going to take that remaining cookie dough, the other half, and just crumble it on top of the cheesecake layer. Just keep crumbling it until most of the surface is covered. If you've got gaps that don't have pieces of dough on it, that's okay. It's going to puff up quite a bit when it bakes, and you actually kind of want to see some color showing through, so that's okay. Then you can sprinkle an additional 1/4 cup of chocolate chips on top if you'd like. Then you're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 25 to 28 minutes until the edges are lightly browned and the center might still be a little bit jiggly looking. I pulled it out of the pan and let it cool on a cooling rack. And there it is. Let it cool, slice it up, and there are your delicious chocolate chip cookie bars with some red and green velvet inside them. These, if you serve them with just a tiny bit warm still, the chocolate chips will be melted inside and it makes them kind of gooey a little bit. They are delicious. They're very rich, very decadent, and very festive looking. These are a great cookie bar that would make a wonderful addition to a treats platter if you're making something like that for Christmas. These are going on my Christmas treats playlist. I have a ton of goodies that you may want to look through and pick out to make for your holiday celebration. Thank you so much for watching.